Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the today's edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including big mixed tag team match planned for WrestleMania 37, while Drew McIntyre next big feud possibly teased, and more interesting WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is huge mixed tag team match planned for WrestleMania 37. Earlier, WWE rumors stated that WWE currently looking to do a match of Edge versus The Fiend at WrestleMania 37. But now looks things are changed and WWE latest news suggested that WWE also planning and discussing about another possible match which is mixed tag team match at WrestleMania 37. The match in discuss right now is Edge and Beth Phoenix versus The Fiend and Alexa Bliss for WrestleMania 37. WWE reports also say that there is still WWE plan to do Edge vs Randy Orton match at WrestleMania 37. Here is what exactly WWE update states. Source states that while Edge vs Randy Orton has been the long-standing plan and is still at the moment, the idea of Edge vs The Fiend has been discussed a great deal for the show. The source suggested that initial idea come up as a name were thrown around as a possible opponent for Bray Wyatt and Alexa Bliss team at Mania. Edge and Beth Phoenix were mentioned. Source stated that both matches are unlikely. Edge vs Randy Orton remains the plan as of now. So we can still expect that Edge vs Randy Orton that happen at WrestleMania 37. But WWE wants to take two matches as a backup plan. One is Edge vs The Fiend and another is Edge and Beth Phoenix vs The Fiend and Alexa Bliss. What do you think, guys? Should WWE give up on the Randy Orton storyline and instead book Edge in a fresh feud with Bray Wyatt? Please write your thoughts in comment section. Number 4 is WWE possibilities with next feud for Drew McIntyre. WWE may be already planned seeds of a next big feud for Drew McIntyre for the WWE Championship. WWE latest update stated that Sheamus may turn on WWE Champion Drew McIntyre soon or maybe at following Raw episode of Survivor Series 2020 show. For this week's Raw episode, the speculation was going around that Sheamus somehow caused Drew McIntyre to take a WWE title from Randy Orton. But it's not happened in the real, and Drew McIntyre become a new WWE champion. Now WWE news and rumors suggested that WWE wants to build them as a best friend first, and then Sheamus turned on WWE champion. After all, he is heel superstar. Nothing is confirmed yet, but all things are pointed out towards the same direction of this feud. Earlier, WWE Champion Drew McIntyre already saw his interest to do a feud and match against his best friend Sheamus. Here is what Drew McIntyre told. We were the top feud in Europe before we both signed with WWE in 2007. We come up the America together, wrestle in Florida Champions Wrestling together, and we were both heavyweight champions there. The night I won the Intercontinental title, he won the heavyweight title. Obviously, his career took off and mine took downward spiral. We could include so many parts of our past in that feud and have never been featured on television. Right now, Drew McIntyre is all set to face Roman Reigns in a champion vs champion match at Survivor Series 2020 pay-per-view. So what do you think, guys? Are you interested in a feud between Drew McIntyre and Sheamus? Write your thought in comment section. Number 3 is Finn Balor teases the new version of the club. On social media, Finn Balor once again teased something interesting. He teased that idea of the formation of new version of the club faction. Balor featured himself and former WWE champion AJ Styles and then former NXT champion Adam Cole in the new version of the club faction. Finn Balor shared very interesting fan art of his alongside AJ Styles and Adam Cole. We can see all three men in a suit and possible hint towards the new version of the club in WWE. In WWE, we already saw a few the club WWE runs so far. The first one is when AJ Styles lead the faction alongside Luke Gallows and Carl Anderson. The second one is the Good Brothers allying with Finn Balor for a short babyface run. And in the last, the club was renamed the Aussie for the final run as a heel. The club was born many years before in NJPW. At that time, Finn Balor built this faction alongside Bad Luck Fale and Tama Tonga and Carl Anderson as a 4 core group members. Then its large number of other wrestlers also joined the Bullet Club or the club like of Luke Gallows, the Young Bucks, AJ Styles, Kenny Omega, Adam Cole, Cody Rhodes and Marty Scurll. Number 2 is Tyson Fury and The Undertaker send message to each other. Survivor Series 2020 going to be a special event as The Undertaker's final farewell set to take place on the show. Fans are already curious to waiting to see what WWE planned for The Undertaker's final farewell. Now professional boxer Tyson Fury sent a heartfelt message to Undertaker on social media ahead of Survivor Series 2020. Fury posted one video where he showed respect for The Undertaker by supporting outfit inspired by the Phenom. Here is what Tyson Fury wrote in caption. Showing my utmost respect to The Undertaker on his 13th anniversary in the WWE, sporting this Phenom inspired custom outfit and championship title. I will turning to watch your final farewell this Sunday at Survivor Series 2020. Thank you, Taker. So these are some words from Tyson Fury in the respect of the Phenom. Later, The Undertaker reacted to Tyson Fury's post and show some respect towards him also. Here is what The Undertaker told. Massive respect. Thanks, champ. Keep doing what you are doing and stay healthy. Watch your inspiring journey for a long time and can't wait to see you in fight in the person in the future. So these are some intense words from The Undertaker for Tyson Fury. This Sunday at Survivor Series, The Undertaker and other many WWE legends set to appear. The Undertaker already claimed their retirement, but is he really retired or he returns for one or more 2 matches? The question is always remains and has been asked. Number 1 is Kurt Angle will be part of The Undertaker's final farewell. We knew that at this Sunday on Survivor Series pay-per-view, WWE gives final farewell to The Undertaker. WWE has not revealed anything about farewell, but WWE news suggested that there is a several WWE legends set to appear on the show. Kane, The Godfather and Savio Vega are all set to take a part of The Undertaker's final farewell at Survivor Series 2020. Now WWE news update stated that WWE Hall of Famer also take a part of the farewell. WWE has said that the Kurt Angle, who was released by WWE earlier, will be returned at Survivor Series 2020. Here is what WWE spoiler says. WWE Hall of Famer Kurt Angle and Olympic gold medalist Kurt Angle is scheduled to be the attendance in the Survivor Series this Sunday. This Angle likely to be brought in for Undertaker's final farewell. As previously reported, Kane, The Godfather and Savio Vega will be also in attendance at the pay-per-view. Whether any of them will appear on the camera remains to be seen. It's entirely possible they are being brought into the frame the WWE Network content or additionally material related to The Undertaker that will be released down the line. There is a long history between these two in the past in WWE. The Undertaker and the Kurt Angle give so many memorable feud during their time in Attitude Era. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you all enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.